Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows system. So this solution is applicable for Windows 10 as well as Windows 11 operating system. You need to just follow my screen, don't miss any steps, and we will fix this issue together. On this window, we need to right click on the start icon and select settings. And once we are here, click on these three lines and go to the apps section. Once we are here, we need to click on the optional features. Here we go, and then click on add an optional features. Make sure you are connected with your internet connection. Then type here display, or you can type just wireless display, and you will get this device. So select this, click on next and go for install. So this will take some time to complete the process. Once done, just restart the system and your problem will be solved. You can also check out the pinned comment to fix this issue quickly and effectively. So don't forget to like the video and please do subscribe the channel.